I have this PDF file, and this PDF file has so many tables. You can say this is one table, but I don't need to extract that table. I have this table, and so on. So I have almost maybe 104 tables, and I want to extract data from all the tables from this particular PDF file. It's 107 page long, and let me show you the code. So I can just run this. I just run this. It says I have 3 different type of tables. Like this is one, and it has 76 pages. That means 76 tables in 76 different pages. And the first one is 5 or 6 or 7. So if I just go like, let's say 5, then you can see this is the table: unit, bulls, cows, calves, and so on. And these are the columns. And I have second type of table, that is unit, harvest, hunters, and that is started at page 38. So let's go into the page 38, and you can see it's different than the other one. And this one is also extracted. And I have one more table types, and that is at page 105. And the column names are season, bulls, and so on. So let me just go to this 105. And you can see I have this one that is quite different than the other two. And you can see, like, I have single rows table as well, like this one. And these are the main headers. We need to extract this one as well as the table. So that's how we can extract the data from a PDF files using Python. And it's just showing in this, like, this is the first table, this is the second one, and this is the third one. And I need to do this for up to 2016 to 2024. And this one was really helpful to extract all the data and categorize them for uploading into database. That's it. If you need help in PDF automation, send me a message. Have a good day.